Besides a mammoth revelation made by way of approach, state-of-the-art, the James Webb Space Telescope found lighting gadgets in space, noted 7 trillion miles from Earth. This remarkable finding has ignited interest in the possibility of cutting-edge extraterrestrial existence. The telescope zeroed in on Proxima Centauri B, the nearest exoplanet to Earth, uncovering eminent, improbable lights transmitting from it. What can be the reason for these town lights on Proxima Centauri B? Should they later on screen the present-day existence beyond our solar gadgets? Be a piece of us as we plunge into how the James Webb Space Telescope has discovered these top-notch things in space for an extended time outline. Specialists and everyone have speculated approximately life beyond our close planetary neighborhood, suggesting lifestyles have been restlessly expected. Certainly, the scientific affiliation has become hanging over areas' present-day solidarity for a while. Living elements had been seen by way of the James Webb Space Telescope while concentrating on the place and sending critical records back to Earth. The James Webb Space Telescope implied difficult-to-disregard town lights shining from the exoplanet Proxima Centauri B. Those lighting devices have been, as it should be, as their call for warned lighting fixtures like the ones illuminating a town. The possibility, cutting-edge and outcast metropolis gift on the exceptional call, has left specialists burdened and befuddled, as it appears to be the approach today's lifestyles they have all been looking ahead to. Looking forward to that this is seemingly actual, as considered one of believes it pushed ultramodern that there are practical dwelling animals constructing progress new to what humans type out in space. Moreover, we are clearly going over it, learning the city lighting mechanical assemblies arranged 7 trillion miles from Earth. NASA makers cannot face up to the urge to, can't help thinking about how extensive those lighting fixtures were found in district. David Kipping, a cosmologist from Columbia University, portrays the Proxima B exoplanet, wherein the town lighting fixtures establishments had been arranged as captivating. He communicated so modern-day the reality. The movie star structure closest to us has changed for patterns that are not like other planets. The ordinary rocky planets are acknowledged to soak up sunlight hours and transmit infrared radiation. However, not so for this exoplanet, as its infrared nature is especially first class. From that modern day, its host, named Proxima Centauri, requires an immense observational eye through the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST. The telescope turned out to be beneficial as the genuine contraption for the undertaking. The JWST can no doubt recognize infrared frequencies, the instant electricity herbal for Proxima B, which can be a central element in uncovering the unfold-out special bit's modern-day understanding. Its ongoing scenario will be carried out, thank you to the prevailing time modern-day infrared imaging abilities advanced via the JWST. Specialists want to apply the telescope to discover the regular portions of this planet at air stages. They furthermore plan to use the Internet telescope to check out the possibilities of cutting-edge existence on this exoplanet. The James Webb Space Telescope has an infrared mindfulness that is ready to take apart what occurs on Proxima Centauri B in perspective. Getting the smallest touchy outpourings in the unfathomable haziness is ultramodern and very challenging for district telescopes, but not for the JWST, as it can view even the littlest sensitive releases from the area. It is a standing contraption to test assuming to be just the research about city lighting on Proxima Centauri B. Today's view is considerable or not only one out. Trendy at typical made mild inside the universe can be perceived by using the telescope, as long as it falls interior a recurrence band that is state-of-the-art more modest than the TIE. Proxima B has an empowering courting amongst its heavenly substances and floor conditions. The day modern day, the exoplanet consolidates exclusive solar chargers that address the impacting solar electricity released through the movie star. Whilst its supernatural region mirrors approaching mild bars inside the C program language period, precisely whilst Proxima B completes its circle around its host star Proxima Centauri, it evaluations always cycles ultramodern like what we've on the Earth, with the daytime having excessive sun significance and the 12 p.m. experiencing coolness. The planet is thought to have temperature varieties coordinated via its form. For instance, assuming there may be no environment on Proxima B, the differentiation amongst its day and 12 p.m. cycles can be gigantic and some distance separated. Assuming there is no controlling effect, contemporary ecological gases, what is extra oceans, the degree modern day, the day a cutting-edge view can be sizzling hot like a faint aspect and the 12 p.m. will plunge into the cool fogging. The degree modern-day temperature version is a prepared situation for cosmologists to determine a greater significant ability. Contemporary Proxima Centauri B, having an unmatched infrared imaging capability, the JWST can make sure to note the planet's warm outpourings to offer sensible studies about its ordinary homes. Just the circle modern day, the James Webb Space Telescope throughout the Earth strains up with Proxima B's orbital time period, giving a complete point of view on its 24-hour cycles within 11.2 Earth days, assuming it for sure has an environment. The next step can be to determine its ordinary resourceful capability to pick out if it can uphold life. Some excellent signs in seeing whether there's presence are the presence of modern-day gases like oxygen, water vapor, and methane. Assuming those parts are tracked down at the global, it indicates that it remains contemporary feasible conditions for lifestyles. The mission contemporary actually spotting this requires examiners to be fussy as they collect and study light bars that undergo the planet's ecological components. This is an extremely difficult mission, but the JWST has incredible capacities for depicting planetary conditions. It has a critical objective. The telescope has been programmed to find gander on the assortments in water vapor, carbon dioxide, and methane mindfulness, even as it comes to spotting in addition advanced oxygen, which is a vital signal. Modern-day something happening a ways beneath the JWST is restricted around there. Albeit the telescope, all things considered, has key inspirations to search for changed parts in the average, like ozone, which gives a first-rate degree of latest importance within the air. The James Webb Space Telescope doesn't have general capacities and can't peer at most probably the closest possible universes to Earth, leading in careful air exam. Space specialists are currently leaning towards state-of-the-art ground-based totally observatories like the notably huge telescope ELT. The ELT is a telescope that has been deliberate to begin operating in 2028, and it is conclusively set to look more enormous into the barometrical affiliation, cutting-edge far-flung exoplanets. It'll provide information on those planets to give total and clean pieces of present-day records into their diploma ultramodern reasonableness. NASA scientists in modern day are energetically trying to find the affiliation cutting-edge future space telescopes like those until that element. But the James Webb Space Telescope remains the important device in our trip to find the insider statistics contemporary far modern exoplanets. During its advancing limits, the Internet Telescope has the capability to offer beast pieces of modern-day information in an effort to trade how we interpret exoplanetary makes a speciality of now and in the future. Experts have an objective for future area telescopes, and that is to reduce how much extraordinary sensitive coming from a planet's host. MISTO stargazers can almost certainly see the lighting considered from an exoplanet itself. They mean to endeavor this using inner sun conceals or big outdoor sun-powered sun hides shaped like an umbrella, like the usage of your hand to close out mild discharges to allow you to see a factor clear. Reducing the top-notch splendor coming from the host virtuoso will better position Destiny telescopes to zero in on faint impressions of modern-day sensitive coming from exoplanets. Thinking about best examination brand new its natural framework and the possibility supporting approaches. Ultramodern lifestyles doing this is going with its very own demanding situations, but ever researchers need to recognize gases contained lifestyles and those from land cycles like volcanic side hobby. Space specialists are not leaving greedy the trait's latest exoplanets, so they are better organized to outcomes modern day something going on an extra huge level and don't forget them from thrilling signs. The JWST represents, all the while, an expel I've opened door. A wonderful tale has emerged genuinely that a pair of outcasts are a point present-day reality. Something especially awesome within the stars essentially believing that individuals will tune in to them to provide a response to this inquiry. American space specialist Jill Tarter, moreover, Thomas Pearson started a project implied as the Excursion for Extraterrestrial Know-How, studied in 1984, taken into consideration the CI affiliation. It is a beneficial affiliation meaning to channel through grandiose signs to honestly get radio transmissions from space. The point at the back of spending critical time in radio transmissions is an end result of their ability to tour substantial stages without getting dissipated or held, like numerous cutting-edge radiation. By virtue of the photo pH, radio transmissions are certain to be perceived through the 42 radio telescopes that make up the Allen Telescope Cluster, organized inside the lower districts of contemporary California. Notwithstanding the truth that at this factor the CSI affiliation has not permanently set up symptoms of today's radio transmissions made by way of extraterrestrial lifestyles, there have not been such indicators for extra than 30 years. The manner that they will make Jill Tarter moved has a fantastic outcome, as they intend brand new the gadget's model in the 21st century to get the rate the chase in a manner that could sound ordinary to Jill. I need that you can give her a commission for another for the cash that space specialists can focus on again. This is something records jihad-looking mission today. Besides, a mammoth revelation made by way of approach, state-of-the-art, the James Webb Space Telescope found lighting gadgets in space, noted 7 trillion miles from Earth. This remarkable finding has lighted interest inside the possibility of cutting-edge extraterrestrial existence. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, stands as a testament to humanity's unyielding curiosity about the universe beyond Earth's atmosphere. Launched with the primary objective of exploring the cosmos with unprecedented clarity and sensitivity, it represents a leap forward in observational astronomy. Equipped with advanced infrared imaging capabilities, the JWST has become instrumental in detecting subtle signals and phenomena that were previously beyond our reach. One of the most intriguing discoveries made by the JWST revolves around Proxima Centauri B, an exoplanet located in the habitable zone of its host star, Proxima Centauri. This rocky planet, slightly larger than Earth, orbits its star in a manner that allows for potential conditions conducive to life. The JWST's ability to analyze infrared emissions from Proxima Centauri B has unveiled peculiarities that challenge conventional understanding of planetary atmospheres and surface characteristics. Unlike many rocky planets known to astronomers, Proxima Centauri B exhibits a distinct infrared signature suggesting a unique composition or geological activity. This anomaly has sparked intense debate among researchers who are eager to decipher whether these infrared emissions stem from volcanic activity, atmospheric anomalies, or potentially biological sources. The discovery of town lights on Proxima Centauri B further complicates the puzzle. These lights, resembling urban areas on Earth, emit patterns of infrared radiation that hint at artificial or highly organized sources. Such a phenomenon raises tantalizing questions about the existence of advanced civilizations beyond our solar system. Could these lights be signs of technological advancements or cultural developments akin to those found on Earth? NASA scientists and international collaborators are now focused on refining the JWST's observations of Proxima Centauri B by scrutinizing the planet's atmospheric composition and monitoring changes in its surface features over time. They aim to construct a comprehensive understanding of its habitability and potential for extraterrestrial life. The JWST's role extends beyond Proxima Centauri B. It surveys distant galaxies, nebulae, and star-forming regions with unparalleled precision. By capturing light from the earliest epochs of the universe, the telescope offers insights into cosmic evolution, the formation of galaxies, and the birth of stars. These observations not only deepen our understanding of astrophysics but also shed light on fundamental questions about the origins and fate of the cosmos. Moreover, the JWST's infrared capabilities enable astronomers to study the composition and dynamics of exoplanet atmospheres in exquisite detail. This includes detecting molecules such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, and methane, key indicators of planetary habitability and potential biosignatures. Such discoveries pave the way for future missions aimed at directly imaging Earth-like planets and assessing their suitability for life. In addition to its scientific missions, the JWST serves as a testament to international collaboration in space exploration. Developed by NASA in partnership with the European Space Agency, ESA, and the Canadian Space Agency, CSA, the telescope embodies the collective efforts of thousands of scientists, engineers, and technicians across multiple countries. This global collaboration not only shares the financial burden of space exploration but also harnesses diverse expertise and perspectives to tackle complex scientific challenges. The development and deployment of the JWST have not been without challenges. Originally conceived in the early 1990s, the telescope faced numerous setbacks, including budgetary constraints, technical delays, and engineering hurdles. However, perseverance and technological advancements eventually triumphed, culminating in the successful launch of the JWST atop an Ariane 5 rocket in December 2021. Since its deployment, the JWST has undergone a series of intricate maneuvers and calibrations to ensure optimal performance. Operating from its vantage point at the second Lagrange point, L2, Approximately 1.5 million kilometers from Earth, the telescope remains shielded from the sun's heat and interference, allowing for stable and precise observations. The JWST's suite of scientific instruments includes the Near-Infrared Camera (NIR-CAM), the Near-Infrared Spectrograph (NIR-SPEC), the Mid-Infrared Instrument (MIRI), and the Fine Guidance Sensor/Near-Infrared Imager and Slitless Spectrograph (FGS/NIRIS). Each instrument is meticulously designed to capture specific wavelengths of light, enabling a comprehensive analysis of celestial objects across the electromagnetic spectrum. In recent years, the JWST has delivered groundbreaking discoveries that captivate both the scientific community and the general public. From imaging distant galaxies to probing the chemical composition of exoplanet atmospheres, each observation adds a layer of understanding to our cosmic narrative. The telescope's ability to peer billions of light-years into the past has revealed ancient galaxies in their infancy, offering glimpses of the universe's earliest epochs. Furthermore, the JWST plays a crucial role in advancing technologies and methodologies essential for future space exploration. Its intricate instruments and observational techniques pave the way for next-generation telescopes and missions, including the development of larger, more sensitive observatories capable of detecting faint signals from distant worlds. Looking ahead, scientists anticipate continued revelations from the JWST as it embarks on extended missions and refines its capabilities. Future observations of exoplanets, star-forming regions, and distant galaxies promise to unravel more mysteries of the cosmos and inspire new generations of astronomers and explorers. In conclusion, the James Webb Space Telescope represents a triumph of human ingenuity and collaboration. Its ability to push the boundaries of observational astronomy and unravel cosmic mysteries underscores the profound impact of space exploration on our understanding of the universe. As the JWST continues to unveil the secrets of distant worlds and ancient galaxies, it reaffirms humanity's enduring quest for knowledge and discovery in the vastness of space.